Good morning, dear children. In previous turn, we all had learned about habitat. Children, today in this class, we will learn about breathing in animals. You all know breathing is one of the important activity to live. All animals breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Children, this oxygen is carried by the blood and burn the food inside the body, and thus energy releases. This energy help them in all their activities and keep them healthy. Children, different animals breathe in different ways. We will know about them one by one. How do animals breathe? Children, in this chapter we will learn the breathing organs of microorganisms like amoeba, paramecium and euglena, different type of insects, fishes, amphibians and mammals. So let us start. Children, here in this slide you can see the picture of microorganism like amoeba, paramecium and euglena. Children, these microorganisms breathe through their body surface. Here you can see in this picture, amoeba takes oxygen through its body surface and releases carbon dioxide out. Children, can you recognize this picture? This is ant, and this is a cockroach. And children, this picture is of grasshopper. They are insects, and insects breathe through tiny holes known as spiracles. Children, this is a picture of a spiracle, breathing organ of insects. These spiracles are found in abdominal portion of the insects. Children, these insects have a network of air tubes. Here you can see in this picture, and air tubes are known as tracheae. Children, oxygen enters through spiracles, reaches in the air tubes and then directly reaches to the body tissue. Thus, this network of air tubes carry oxygen directly to all the body parts. Now children, let us learn about the breathing organs of aquatic animal. As you all know, aquatic animals live in water, and prawn, crab and fishes are aquatic animals. Children, these aquatic animals breathe through their gills, and you can see in this picture the gills are red in color and found on both sides of its head. Gills absorb dissolved oxygen from the water and releases carbon dioxide from the blood. Fishes take in water from mouth and let it out through gills. Next is breathing in amphibians. As you all know, amphibians can live on land and in water, so they can breathe through their moist skin and lungs. Children, baby frog, that is tadpole, breathe through their gills, and when the frog lives underwater, it breathes through its moist skin. But on land, they breathe through their lungs. Children, can you recognize this picture? Yes, this is a earthworm, and earthworm also breathe through its moist skin. Next is breathing organs of mammals. Children, mammals breathe through their lungs. Here in this picture you can see the lungs of human beings. Children, one pair of lungs are found in chest cavity. Oxygen enters through nose and passes in lungs through windpipe. In lungs, blood vessels are present. Hemoglobin, that gives blood a red color, absorbs this oxygen and take them to the body tissue. Children, Oxygen helps in burning of food, and in this process carbon dioxide releases. This carbon dioxide from body tissue reaches to the lungs, and from here it goes out through nose. Children, hope you all have understood the breathing organs of animals. So read this lesson and learn the difficult words. Thank you and have a good day.